Jingwei brand was established in 1993. It's from my hometown. It was a software company. At that time, it is the first and only shoe-CAD software company in China. The purpose of creating the first cutting product is to protect our software from copyright infringement, but eventually leading us to begin research on digital cutting system.
Jingwei's been developing cutting technology for 30 years, and they have a really strong R&D team, and they're constantly striving to bring further improvements and real groundbreaking innovation. Its focus on quality control and inspection processes have underpinned its international trusted reputation in this global market. There's a great deal of skill in China, and from an engineering standpoint, the advanced level of tooling that we see here we haven't seen anywhere else.
We adhere to the goal of green manufacturing, clean production, and circular economy.
The Jingwei partnership offers a win-win proposition for our customers, and our CNY UK service infrastructure underpins that commercial offering.
CNY UK is globally recognized as one of the leading distributors in the industry. Its deep knowledge and infrastructure make this a so perfect partnership for us.
Our goal is to provide our customers with printing production equipment that enables them to deliver future profitability and growth. Whilst there's been some fantastic innovation and incremental improvements in the mid-market printer sector, the same can't be said for digital finishing. In 2022, we started to see lower cost cutting solutions coming into the mid-range printer market, but these definitely were compromising on quality, performance, and fluidity in operation. However, the Jingwei J-Cut brings aspirational cutting technology at commensurate pricing to the capital equipment cost of mid-range printers. For 25 years, CNY UK has been one of the most successful global partners for premium cutting brands. We're very experienced in this market, and we know what good looks like. The J-Cut tables really shake things up. With the unique breakthrough in capital equipment cost and functionality performance, we're very confident that this technology and brand will disrupt the digital finishing marketplace.